In this video, I will show you how to check your comment history on YouTube. To get started, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to check your comments history for. Once you've done that, come over to the left hand side and you should see a menu here, but if you don't, just click onto the three lines next to the YouTube logo. What you then want to do is come down to the U section and look for the history option. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you over to your history screen. Now from here, if you come over to the right hand side and if you look under the manage or history option, you're going to see an option for comments. Give that a click, and from here you're going to find all your YouTube comments. Now it is in date order as well, so you can actually find all your comments from different dates. So if you wanted to locate a comment from a certain date, you can of course scroll through on this screen and check your YouTube comment history. So that's how to check YouTube comment history. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.